CV means curriculum vitae. CV is complete course of your life. It's a complete record of your education and career in psychology. It should be longer than usual and must contain 2 pages or more.
It is very important to add titles or contents to make your CV looks attractive, and it's easy for the interviewee to grasp the actual content he is looking for. You must make a title of a complete record of the education, including from where you obtained the degree, including the dates.
You should avoid to add unnecessary information in your CV. Adding the number of seminars or conferences attended is not considered to be useful. Avoid repeating same stuff in multiple titles or contents. Avoid irrelevant or personal information. There is no need to add picture on the CV. Avoid typing and grammar errors, it shows very negative impression. Avoid using fancy fonts.
We have just mentioned some of the key points. What is CV? How you can write effective and efficient CV. What should and should not be added on the CV.
Thanks for watching. See you again. From SNSI Counselor Advisor.